Hi neighbors, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry, and today I am very excited for this recipe to share it with you all. Making spicy pecan chicken with Alabama white sauce. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and what I sliced it so that I can get it in half. So I sliced it through the center like that. And then I pounded them out a little thin, just to have the cooking time cut down and a more even cooking space. Flour. I'm going to use the rest of this hot sauce here, whatever you like, and I have 4 eggs in there. I'll show you the next. I'll put a package of onion soup mix. 1 cup of pecans that I put in my food processor behind me. I had whole pecans. I put them on a low pulse so that I can get them sort of like crumb. Oh my goodness. I have a pan that I drizzled with olive oil. My oven is preheated to 375. You can easily fry these in a pan.
Want that flour to stick on there really nicely. Drop it in there. Quite a few chicken breasts, so I might need 2 cups of the pecans and 2 packages of the onion soup mix. Put these in.
So I had 8 chicken breasts, 2 packages of the onion soup mix, and 2 cups of the chopped up pecans. 375, and in about 10-15 minutes I'll flip them and let them go for another 15 minutes. Internal temperature is 165. I'm going to have Casey videotape us making the Alabama white barbecue sauce. Okay, Alabama white sauce, here we go. Over here. Oh, I have a bowl. This is 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne, and a half a teaspoon, or almost a teaspoon of pepper, okay? 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Okay, apple cider vinegar, but you can use 2 parts white vinegar, 1 part apple juice, because originally that is actually, they used a vinegar and apple juice originally, okay? 1/4 of a cup of water, 2 teaspoons actually of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of W sauce. There was a little bit of apple cider vinegar spilt in it. That's why it looks like more than a tablespoon, but that was a tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of prepared horseradish for tasting. I want the grains of sugar to melt away, and the salt and the garlic powder and onion powder and everything, so I'm just going to give it a taste, see if it needs anything else. Oh my gosh, that's good. I'm going to put this in a squeeze bottle to put over the chicken when it's ready. You can use this as a marinade for chicken. You can cook the chicken, brush the chicken with it as it's cooking, or you can put it on, drizzle it on the chicken when it's done. Oh my gosh, that is so good. We'll be back when the chicken's ready. Okay, I'm ready. I I took some out of the oven so that we can plate them up. And I'm going to drizzle it with that gorgeous Alabama white sauce.
Whoa.
Showing off our Alabama white sauce. I put it in a reused sriracha.
This might be one of the ones I'm most excited for, honestly.
Oh, I know, because it is going to be so good. It's going to be so good. Nailed it. So good. Oh my gosh. I don't care if they try anything but that or anything but this. But the two of them together. You absolutely can. Want me to get you a clean fork, or are we going to end it so that you can do it?
I guess I'll just end it. I was going to try to explain it, but who cares?
Oh, yeah. Let me explain it. Delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Love you all. I am so excited about some recipes coming up. I have been told that I make a mean hot and sour soup. So I'm going to do that sometime in the future. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Anyway, take care. Love you all. God bless.
See.